Good morning, Filipinas! It's me again, Peng. I'm blessed, awesome, and winning. So, yan guys. So, happy Friday, everyone. It's day 8 of our vlog. 21 day vlog challenge. Before my last starts at 40. So, outfit check. Alright. So, itong outfit natin today for end of the week, na OOTD natin for this, for this day. Diba? So, yan. So, may pasok tayo today, last day of work, for this week. Alright, so, I'll be going to work today. So, sa office, kasi may game time kami. And I'll be meeting some of my leaders then, Kaya maaga-aga tayo. So, yun. So, um, let's start, with what's in my bag. Okay. So first is blessings, I'm blessed to have, yesterday, blessed tayo uh, with Supercard again. Kung sinusulit natin yung birth month natin, So, I'm blessed kasi nalibre tayo ng pizza, one whole pizza, thin crust, And, um, syempre, hindi na tayo gumastos pa ng malaki. So, blessed tayo with that perks, And also, blessed tayo with my leaders, syempre, right now talaga, wala pa talaga tayong tight yung budget natin. But yun nga, my leaders, help me out, and grant the wish of my heart, Ayan, so, at blessed din tayo, sa mga friends, natin, um, uh, na naniniwala sa kakayahan natin, and, uh, at, alam mo yun, ang sarap lang na magkaroon ng mga kaibigan that they're rooting for you, for your success, So, sobrang blessed ako doon, and shout out kay Elaine, So, Marce, love ya, yan. So, yan. So, blessings, Ayan. So, next one is accomplishments, Yesterday, I was, nakapag-interview tayo yesterday ng candidate natin, leader candidate natin, mapa-online man siya, Yes, 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 yes. And of course, syempre, nakuusap ko na rin yung beshi ko, personally, and excited ako sa magiging team niya rito sa Manulife, Yes, 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 And, ayun, those are my wins, Those are my accomplishments, yesterday. And syempre, nagtuloy-tuloy, natapos ko na rin yung required training, for yung mga code of ethics, yung mga ganon na importante, So, yes, 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 So, yan. And then, and last one is, what are my goals, Today, pupunta tayo ng office, syempre papasok tayo, and meet natin yung leaders natin, one of my leaders doon. So, tapos sa atin tayo ng game time, kasi every Friday, meron tayong leaders game time, sa office yon. So, I'll be attending that. And then, makapag-meet ulit ng mga leader candidate and magpo-prospect again, approach people, those people na really wants to level up, in insurance industry, yung mga tao na ang tagal-tagal na assistant sales manager, and they wanted na umangat yung career nila, this time, And I believe there is an opportunity out there. Just need to grab it lang talaga. So, it's depending on you na kung i-grab mo siya. So, the chance, the opportunities are there. Ikaw na lang yung iniintay. So, for me kasi, it's all about taking that risk. And hindi naman basta-basta na parang pag dumating ka na dun sa level na yun, alam mo agad lahat. You'll learn a lot of mistakes. But those mistakes will be a lesson for you to grow, no? And grabbing that opportunity, grabbing that chance, no? And choosing for yourself. Kasi you deserve a better life. Diba? So, I believe whatever the desires of your heart, God will grant it. Katulad ng ginawa niya sa akin. No? Again, this is Teng. No? I'm blessed, awesome, and winning. No? And I really care for everyone. And if God leading me onward, let me lead you onward as well. Alright, so again, this is Teng. Happy Friday, everyone, and mwah, mwah, mwah.